popcorn over a naked flame before, but I've never cooked popcorn over bioethanol, so this will be a first for me. So let's get the fire going first. Take the spoon, dip the end of it in the alcohol, set fire to the end of the spoon. Dip the burning end of the spoon into the pot. You hear a popping noise. Carry on applying the flame until all the vapors have started to create a good steady burn. Watch it carefully. Make sure the tin gets hot, because as it gets hot the flames get bigger and better. Starting to get a few yellow flames, that's good. You've seen this before. 2 sieves, one smaller than the other, so you can create a cage. Okay, they're both blackened because I've burnt off the protective coating on it, because I've used it before. Just a handful of grains, probably less than a handful. Got to carry on shaking it to make sure that the popcorn doesn't burn. You've also got to make sure the popcorn reaches the right temperature. If it's not hot enough, you don't get a good pop. See the flames leaping up once in a while? That's a very good sign. But do we have enough heat from this flame to make popcorn pop? That's the question. Popcorn's traditionally cooked over a wood fire, a coal fire. I've cooked it over a gas flame. Now the bioethanol flame, I know that does blacken the pot a little when I'm cooking food over it. But would it be okay for popcorn? That's the question. The popcorn's going lighter in colour. That suggests it's probably starting to swell. Give it a few more minutes, we could have some cooking action. You can smell it cooking. We're almost there. Bit more heat going. Here we go. Off-grid popcorn. Tastes good too.